Hi, welcome to this Varasi video on strategic thinking and what it means to be a strategic thinker. Now, this is one of the topics that we typically include in our workshops that we are running in the context of our projects, building out Salesforce solutions. Now, our customers, just as context, our customers are businesses that are preparing for themselves for growth or are already experiencing rapid growth. And one of the themes of our workshops is that this growth entails also growth in people, in processes, in the systems that you need to now scale. So we start off this topic by having the participants shout out what comes to their mind when they hear the word strategy or strategic thinking. And here are some of the words that commonly come up. First is vision, big picture. Then there's future, decision making, and leadership. Now, there's a longer list, perhaps, but let's talk about these. Now, each of these is a powerful concept, a powerful lens, if you would, to look at the topic of strategy from. So let's spend a minute on each one of them. Now, vision, very much the idea of being strategic involves creating a clear picture for where you would like your organization to be, what you would like your team to accomplish in a certain period of time, and also creating an idea of what for your teams of what it means to accomplish this vision, and not just from an overall team perspective, but also what it means for them individually in terms of their professional growth, in terms of their span of responsibilities, and so on. Now, on the big picture front, one of the characteristics of being strategic in your thinking is to have a mental model or a framework on which you're fitting in the pieces of the puzzle that make up your area of work. So here we've taken the example of let's say you're a sales leader, and are you able to sort of grasp all the aspects of sales, all the levers that you have to improve sales performance? And these could be people, how you recruit the people, how you onboard them, how you incentivize them, how you motivate them, the structure, how you're structuring your organization, the processes like leads management, the opportunities management, the goal setting processes that you have, the account planning perhaps, marketing, referring to how well is your sales organization aligned with your marketing activities. Are these two activities going hand in hand when it comes to targeting the right prospects and converting them to customers? Operations, as in the pipeline, reporting, the forecasting, and a whole another set of support activities around sales. And strategy, is your sales strategy consistent with the overall strategy of the organization? Now, let's go back to the set of words that we started with, and maybe perhaps talk about future decision making, leadership, all in one breath. Being strategic is indeed about making decisions around while you're managing the present, while at the same time keeping in mind how these decisions influence the future. And clearly, leadership is probably one concept that brings it all together. Leadership is ultimately about taking people from where they are today to a future that you have helped paint with a strong vision, and that you're constantly communicating this through your larger vision and big picture. And leader is probably as good a definition as it gets when it comes to someone who is strategic in their thinking. So I hope that helps and gives you a glimpse of some of our workshop discussions. Now, if this topic interests you, or if you want to check out more of what we do along these lines, check out our advisory services on the Varasi page under Offers. Thanks again, and look forward to seeing you in another Varasi video soon.